wasn't built in a day, nor is anything that's worthwhile. Countless hours have been poured into creating Madbird Productions, with a singular focus of sharing these fun and exciting projects with each of you.
Finally done. It's ready.
Welcome to Madbird's YouTube channel. I'm Dano Awesomeface. I'm a newbie filmmaker, and I can't wait to bring some really fun productions to life and share them with you. Subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content and newest releases, and like and share if you see fit. Let's have some fun.